Many sex workers, mainly women, men, and transgender people of color, are reporting continued harassment and arrest when in the Polk Street area.
There's people out here robbing people, killing people, breaking the houses and stuff, fires, like real emergencies, and people are over here wasting their money on arresting prostitutes.
I want to tell you that they spend over $11 million in San Francisco every year, just in San Francisco, and that's every year. Setting up stings, arresting sex workers, jailing them, forcing them into diversion programs. And what we want to say is, why can't that $11 million be devoted to housing subsidies?
More and more tax dollars be taken away from the shelter systems. More and more tax dollars be taken away from health care, mental health, violence prevention. So we're looking at what is the alternative to this. Is this a resolution that we want to see in our city? Are we going to become another Arizona?
We are also standing against the proposed sit-lie law, which will make it illegal to sit and lie on the sidewalk. The same laws are used against homeless people and anybody the police don't want on the streets. And we really question the legality of the MPCs, the municipal police codes. No evidence is needed, no tapes, no photos, no recordings, just the word of a cop against you. It's open season on the streets right now around here. The police have free rein, and sit-lie will make it worse. It will further criminalize people living and working on the streets.
The war on the poor is in full effect. Now the soldiers are social workers, police, and politicians creating deadly legislations and contracts. So basically, this is just another spike in the war on the poor.
Many of us are asking why the police and the mayor are prioritizing the criminalization of low-income people. Why are they arresting people for what is consenting sex at a time when so many San Franciscans are in dire economic straits? The San Francisco Task Force on Prostitution condemned this law enforcement approach and recommended diverting money from criminalizing sex work towards services and resources, alternatives for needy constituencies.
Saying no to sit and lie and no to criminalizing sex workers.
So if you're a sex worker looking for work on Polk Street, it's illegal to stand while looking for work. And if this law passes, if you're a day laborer looking for work on 24th Street, it'll be illegal to sit while looking for work. The fact is that laws like these simply make it illegal for poor people to work. They make us out to be deviants, they make us out to be criminals for doing nothing other than trying to make a living in a manner which hurts nobody.
Let people have their consensual sex. Let people have their consensual drug use. Let people sit on the sidewalk and panhandle. You don't have to give them money, but unless they're actually harassing you or blocking your way, it's not a big deal, and those things should be dealt with on an individual basis. Don't criminalize everybody just simply for being out on the sidewalk.
We believe, the U.S. Prostitutes Collective, that prostitution is about women's poverty. With the economic crisis going on, a lot more women are having to work as sex workers to survive and feed our kids. And it's definitely about survival. For many women, it's very dangerous working in the streets, not because prostitution itself is dangerous, as has been said, it's consenting sex between adults, but because of the criminalization and because the police harass women and women have to work in more dangerous areas. We believe that decriminalization will happen. We've been fighting for it for over 25 years, and we will get it because we know the public is behind us.